Just want to say something real quick. So in my last video, I posted about me winning 8-0 in FC Mobile Hit to it. So then I just saw some comments and there was not saying mean stuff, but they just said stuff better. Like they won 14-0 and 19-0, and then there's one guy said he won 19-0, so it was the king here. And then all that other stuff. So I just want to show you guys my team. So as you can see, there's my name. Let's show you my squad. Okay guys, so this is my team. As you can see this, I have Emi Martinez, Graham Parker, Bosch, my two centre backs, and I must all train them up. Then I have Patrick Togo, his name is Patrick, at left back, and I have Joshua Kimmich at right back. I would upgrade the right back. Then I have Declan Rice, Jeremy Pirlo, and Tillman. But all the scores are good. I'm still not sure on Togo. Then I have Kane and Gomez. Gomez is like a great player. You guys might not like his squad, but I think it's actually good. Then here's my bench. Guys, so much deserves that now. So thank you guys. Bye.